What's up, guys? Here I have in front of me the Samsung Galaxy A10e. Now, this process is to gain access to the recovery menu, also known as hard resetting the phone. So this might be needed if your phone has a passcode lock or a pattern that you may have forgotten, or you just want to wipe the phone out if you're going to resell it. So a lot of times when there's a passcode on the phone, you're not able to power the device off because it'll require the passcode for it to shut off. So first, what we want to do is we want to power the device off, but this is like a soft reset. So we're going to use the volume down and the power key. We're going to hold those two. Your screen's going to go black, and then you're going to transition over to volume up and power. Okay, so you'll do that for a second, but when you see the Samsung logo, you release the power and you continue to hold the volume up. And I'll show you guys how to do that. So watch this. So volume down and power. We're gonna wait for it to cut off. Then transition to volume up and power. When you see Samsung, you release power, but continue to hold volume up. This should shoot us into the recovery menu. There we go. So as you can see, we're within the recovery menu, and you see all these different options. What we're looking for is wipe data factory reset. So you're going to use your volume keys to navigate this menu. So we use volume down to go down to it. And your power button is going to be used to select. So I'm going to select that and continue to use my volume buttons to navigate. I'm going to select yes. And mind you, it's going to wipe all your user data. As you can see, it's formatting the data. And now we're back to this menu. I'm going to select power to reboot the system. Give it a second. There you go. Phone's been reset. And that's it. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to like it. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Thank you.